name is Ssemanda Official, and if you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe. And I can also check out my other content. I also post content on TikTok and Instagram. And for this video, we're going to talk about how to handle and hand in, how to submit the Oracle project. If you didn't see my video about how to make an application Oracle Apex, the video, tap on the link right about here or here, you see it. And in this video I'm going to be showing the steps on how to hand in, submit the Oracle project or assignment. But before you get there, we're going to look through the assignment and know how the guidelines on how to actually do the assignment and how to actually follow the instructions in the assignment. Before we head into this video, I'll be providing a disclaimer for this video right about there. Yeah, we've seen it, and let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out my content on TikTok, Instagram, and also YouTube. If you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe. Let's head into the video. So we're going to talk about the Oracle Oracle Database Express Edition. The project that we had, you can see there. And I'm not going to read through everything, but basically what this project needs. I'm just going to give you a guideline on how to handle and how to build your project of Oracle. So here it talks about take-home project, blah blah blah, 1, 3, 2, everything. But basically, what this project needs you to do is get a problem. Get a problem. Here, talking about the first of all, part 1, the project proposal theory. First of all, you have to get the background of the problem. Basically, you're going to look at what you're going to make. Let's say you're going to make a business, an environment, an organization, and depending on the application you want, the idea that you want. First of all, you have to first find. It's like how if you want to make a website or an application, you have to first find a problem. Then you make an application that can fix that problem. That's what the project is all about. But in this case, we're going to be focusing more on using Oracle Apex to do most of the work. So this for this project, first of all, you're going to need like 5 things to complete this project. First of all, you will need a document, which is the same as a report, showing the background of the problem statement, the objectives of a problem, and basically what your project is all about. And in the same report, you will show the SQL code, the screenshot of the SQL, the interface, how the user will see your application when they're using it. We need a screenshot to also put in your report, and also you need the DRR. And basically, the report will be like that document, the same as a report, will be showing people how your project actually works. You feel what it solves, and how using it will solve a particular problem that you have chosen. So here it shows expected users, because every application has people that are going to be using it. Yeah. There's people that are going to be using it. So not that every application is used by everybody, unless depending on a particular application you're doing. But for this case, you have to show which people are going to be using this application, where it shows expected users. And another thing, since we're using Oracle, you want to expect things like MySQL developer. Basically, most of the things you'll be having them. you'll be focusing more on the database developer and the SQL. Sorry, you'll be looking more on the SQL for building your database. You need the SQL. You need SQL developer working, because you're going to use that to build your build your database. We are going to put in the different the entities, the relationships, the users, everything. I'm going to be putting it in there. So the DR also needed. Since you're going to be using the SQL, you need to build some entities, attributes, basic things of database, basically. Yeah. The logical design, since you're going to be using the different tables, you need primary keys and foreign keys, and basically things that you put in consideration when you're building your database. So I won't go through everything in this. Just a little bit of guide. Just a little bit of a guide through this. Then I made a video on how to build an application using Oracle Apex. You can check it out, because here you need it. You need it because here they are talking about the Oracle SE application development. Here I want to use the Oracle Apex to actually build your application. You build your application. You see the user login, the dashboard, the data entry forms, the records, everything, and reports will be there. But only if you only find it in the Oracle Apex. I made a full video showing you how to build an Oracle Apex application from scratch. Feel free to tap on the videos. The videos are out somewhere like here. You see it. The link will be in my description. You see. So basically that's how I will be handling this project. The users, the roles, all the things that basically this video is I covered the starting part of it, of the Oracle Apex. If you didn't watch that, please, you can first go watch the other video before you go look at this video. You first watch that, because if this video you get confused a little bit somewhere. So basically this the part that you need more of, put more emphasis on. First of all, you build we talked about the background. You find a problem, then you make an application that can solve the problem. Yes, yeah. So you have to identify the problem you want to solve. Then how is your application going to solve that problem? That's how the report is, and how you're going to base all your foundation of the project on that. So things are going to be handing in, because they are showing that each student shall submit the following. First of all, the project report. A project report is what you have talked about. We are going to put the reports the same as the document. Or you want to put a little screenshots of your SQL, You want to put of your DR and the interface, how your application actually looks like, your Apex or Oracle Apex application, how it looks like. You take screenshots and put them in this project, in this report. Another thing here, I think about the Oracle SQL script. The Oracle SQL script, basically this script, you get it from the Oracle Apex, whereby because in the other video I showed you where you can find the SQL script and how you can export it. So if you didn't watch that video, that's why I said if you didn't watch the first video, this video will be confusing for you. So you first go back in the other video I made, how to build Oracle Apex application. So when you extract that from here, you see all these things, the triggers, the views, the packets, the triggers, everything. You see it when you extract it. Here I think about the Oracle database export. So still in the other video I made, I talked about this. Yeah, but I showed at the end where how you can export your application. So here you submit your Oracle Apex application, whereby I showed you the steps on how to export it from that website to your PC or to your PC or desktop, like any device that you're using, so that you can submit it. And keep in mind this file always starts with an F. It's always F1 then some other numbers. So it has a unique name. This is different from the Oracle SQL scripts. They're different. They're not the same thing. They're different, but they all fall in the same category of SQL, but they're different. And here they are talking at number 4. They're talking about the Oracle XE application files. For these application files, you make a small file. You make a small file using your notepad. You can use your notepad. You can use your VC, your Virtual Studio. And then here, you know what they mean by README. It's a small file that has instructions on because they are showing you that in that file I'm going to make, that's called README. It will be giving clear guidelines on how to install your Oracle Apex platform, the login details, and the software requirements. So the login details, you put your login details, the login details you used when you're creating your workspace. And a reminder, I also talked about this in a previous video that I made. About how to build an Oracle Apex application. So if you didn't watch the first video, this video will be a little bit confusing. So if you still didn't watch the video, and if you watched it but you're still getting confused, you can go back to the first video I made. Then things will be more clear. So basically, I told you you'll be uploading 5 different parts of the assignment. So first of all, there is the project, the report, the document. There is the Oracle SQL script. There is the Oracle database export. Then I showed in the other video. And then there's the Oracle Apex application files down that you save as you use your notepad to create it. But if you want me to make a video about it, you can leave it in the comment section. I can make a video about it also. So after you making this, the README file, remember this README file will be in text. It will be in text. You put the installation procedure, the login confidentials, everything. Basically talking the few things someone can use and follow, so they can actually install your platform, your application, your Oracle Apex application. So here the last one will be the video. Most of people have been getting confused, because in this video, you're saying a student must record themselves presenting and demonstrating a completed project. Here, this video you'll be talking about how your project actually works. You show the different. You'll be talking about how your project actually works. You show them the problem, the background of the problem, how your application is going to solve a particular problem. Then your face should be showing in this video. Here as well, you'll be uploading your project, your document, your reports. The document I talked about of your report, you'll be uploading it there. And here, the Oracle SQL script is where you're going to upload your script that I've talked about, and you're going to the script. Remember that they are different. This is different between the Oracle database exports. It's different. So this is the script. In the other video I showed you how to export this, but this Oracle SQL script, you can also use the one from your SQL developer. And here the Oracle database export, the one I showed in the other video how to export it. It starts with F1, then some other numbers. You submit it here, and here the Oracle XE application files. This is where I'm going to upload your file, and we talked about the README file, that one I talked about, that you're going to make with your notepad or Visual Studio. But if you need a video about it, you can leave a comment. I can make a video about it. And here lastly, the video that I've talked about, here showing attach a link of your video. A link of your video, then say upload your video. They said a link to your video. So if you upload a video, it will be very big for this platform. It won't be able to upload it. It will be big for this, because remember the video is going to be around 10 to 15 minutes. So how to get this link? So here basically you go type in on any browser you're using, put in Google Drive, you sign in it. Your Google Drive, if you haven't signed in, you have to sign in. So this is my Google Drive, and you're seeing there are some files that you already have, basic other files that are there. And here you look for your particular file. This is my video that I made for my Oracle. So here you go tap on these three dots here, you tap on share, then share, you copy link, you go tap on link. Then when you go tap on link, you go back to your MUELE, and then you go tap on this link. Let's go. Because for the other parts are easy to submit, but for the video it was a little bit confusing, because some people thought you have to upload the exact video, the full video, how it is. That's why for the video part is the only one that I'm showing, but for the rest it's easy to submit. It's easy to submit. So it's here. So basically when you go here, me already I submitted, that's why it's showing that. But you go here, you go there somewhere, it shows where for that platform, it shows where you can add a link from MUELE, because it has, when you tap on that, it will show you somewhere where you have to paste the other link that you've copied from your Google Drive. But if you don't have your video on your Google Drive, you just go here, tap on new. After tapping on new, you go to add file upload. You tap on file upload. So when you tap on file upload, it will open your PC, and then you go anywhere where you put your video, where you recorded, you stored your video. Then when you tap on it, you tap on open, it will automatically upload the video to your drive. So when you go to your drive, you follow the same steps I've told you. You tap on this link, you tap on those three dots, you go to share, you copy the link. When you copy the link, you go back to your MUELE and you paste the link and you submit. And that was all out. That was it about how to submit and how to handle the Oracle project. My name is Ssemanda Official, and if you want me to make more videos about this, you can leave a comment. I can make more videos about this. Feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel. I post this same content, I post this similar content on TikTok and Instagram, same names throughout. My name is Ssemanda Official. My name is Ssemanda Official. I post the same content on Instagram and TikTok. Feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel. Tap that notification button so that you don't miss out on any video that I make. If this video is helpful, you can drop a like and share to a friend that needs it. Thank you for watching.